Magkano yung mga brand new motorcycles ngayon? 2,000 lang ang down payment. TMX, iniba na nila yung itsura. As low as 4,000 naman, meron ka ng Suzuki Bergman MIUI 125. 6,500 na down payment. Mio Gear, 4,000 lang ang down payment. Mio Fazio, 10,000 lang down payment nito. 10,000 lang din ang down payment netong Honda Click 160. Yamaha Sniper, 9,000 lang ang down payment. Suzuki Smash, PCX 160, 10,000 lang. Honda ADV, 168,020 pesos. Ang Honda Beat, 72,520. Venice, 80,624. Yamaha NMAX na ABS version, 152,900 pesos. Mio Aero, 124,000. KRV 180i, 189,900. Airblade 160, 127,020. Wave na RSX, 64,020. RS 125, 49 lang ang down payment. Suzuki Raider, 124. Pulsar N250, 161,500. Dominar, 199,900.